श्री राग महला पहला। पहले पहरे रैण के वण जार्या मित्रा, बालक बुद्ध चेत खीर पिए खिलाइए। वण जार्या मित्रा, मात पिता सुत हेत। O my dear merchant friend, in the first stage of this night life, you have very innocent mind without much intelligence and understanding, and you are nourished with mother's milk and fondled by various beings around you. Your mother and father develop immense love for you. मात पिता सुत निहुक नेरा, माया मोह सपाई। संजोगी आया किरत कुमाया, करणी कार कराई। The mother and father are deeply in love with the child, but the whole world is engulfed by the love of worldly falsehood, Maya. Human comes into this world based on previous actions and other attachments, and is made to function here based on Vahiguru's will. By good fortune and deeds done in the past, you have come and performed all the actions. राम नाम बिन मुकत न होई, बूढ़ी दूजे हेत। कहु नानक प्राणी पहले पहरे, छूटेगा हर चेत। Without the name of true Vahiguru, liberation is not attained, and you are drowned in the love of duality. Says Nanak, in the first stage of this life night, O mortal, you shall be saved only by remembering and meditating on true God. दूजे पहरे रैण के वण जार्या मित्रा, पर जोबन में मत एनिस काम व्याप्या। वण जार्या मित्रा, अंधले नाम नाचित। In the second stage of this life night, O my merchant friend, you are intoxicated with youth and beauty, and day and night you are engrossed in wanton desires. O my merchant friend, your consciousness becomes blind to the Nam. राम नाम काट अंतर नाही, होर जाने रस कस मीठे। ज्ञान त्यान गुण संजम नाही, जन्म मरोगे झूठे। Vahiguru's name is not abiding in your heart, but all sorts of other tastes seem sweet and attractive to you. You have no wisdom of meditating, you have no virtues left and no self-discipline left, and in falsehood you are caught in the cycle of birth and death. तीरथ वरत सच संजम नाही, कर्म धर्म नहीं पूजा। नानक पाए भगत निस्तारा, दुविधा व्यापे दूजा। The pilgrimages, fast, purification, self-discipline are of no use, nor are any rituals or religious ceremonies. O Nanak, the liberation comes only by having a devotional love and doing the right worship. Through duality, people are engrossed in duality. तीजे पहरे रैण के वण जार्या मित्रा, सर हंस उलथड़े आए। जोबन कटे जरुआ चिणे, वण जार्या मित्रा, आव कटे दिन जाए। O my my merchant friend, in the third stage of this night life, the swan's white hairs come to land upon the pool of your head. Youth wears out and the old age comes. O my merchant friend, time passes and your days are diminishing. अंतकाल पछतासी अंधले जा जम पकड़ चलाया सब किछु अपना कर कर राखया खिन में भया पराया. At the last moment you repent. You are so blind that when Yama, the messenger of death, comes, it carries you away. You kept all your things for yourself, but in an instant everything is lost. बुध विसर्जी गई सियाणप कर अवगण पछताए कहु नानक प्राणी थी जय पहरे प्रभ चेत लिव लाए. Your intellect leaves you and your wisdom is also gone. You repent for all the bad deeds you have done. Says Nanak, O mortal, in the third stage of this night life, let your consciousness be focused on Vaheguru with devotion. चौथे पहरे रैण कै वण जार्या मित्रा बिरद भया तन खीण अखी अंध न दिसई वण जार्या मित्रा कन्नी सुणे न वेण. In the fourth stage of this night life, O my merchant friend, your body has grown weak and old. Your eyes are almost blind and you cannot see, O my merchant friend, and your ears are also not able to hear the words. अखी आंध जीभ रस नाही रहे पराखो थाड़ा गुण अंतर नाही क्यों सुख पावे मन मुख आवण जाना. Your eyes go blind, your tongue is unable to relish taste. You live with the help of others. There's no virtue left within. How can you find peace? The self-will manmukhs come and go in reincarnation. खड़ पक्की कुड़ पचै बिनसै आई चलै क्या मान कहु नानक प्राणी चौथे पहरे गुरमुख शब्द पछाण. When the crop of this life is matured, it bends, it breaks and perishes. Why do you take pride in that which comes and goes and is temporary? Says Nanak, O mortal, in the fourth stage of this night life, the Gurmukh recognizes the word of the Shabad. औरख आया तिन साहिया वण जारिया मित्रा जर जर वाणा कन इक रत्ती गुण ना समाणिया वण जारिया मित्रा अवगण खाड़सण पान. In the last stage of life, your breath comes to its end. O my dear traitor friend, your shoulders are weighed down by the torrent of old age. Not even an iota of virtue is within you, O my merchant friend, because of your vicious and sinful actions. Yama will come and take you in his bondage. गुण संजम जावै चोट न खावै, ना तिस जम्मण मरणा, काल जाल जम जोह न साकै, पाए भगत पै तरना, पत सेती जावै सहज समावै, सगले दुख मिटावै, कहु नानक प्राणी गुरमुख छूटै, साचे ते पत पावै। The Guru-minded people who are full of virtues do not suffer at the hands of Yama and are not passed through cycles of births and deaths. The messenger of death and his trap cannot touch them because of their loving devotional worship, and they cross over the ocean of fear. Such people depart with honor and merge in intuitive peace with equipoise. All the pains also depart from them. Says Nanak, when the mortal becomes Gurmukh, one is saved and honored by the true God.